Hi guys, it's Cassie and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming my September monthly in my Erin Condren Vertical Neutral Life Planner. And I am going to be using Planner Kate's kit 165, and this is, I think it was called like the Woodland kit. Don't quote me on that. I will leave all the links to the stickers that I use in the description box down below. But I have this is sheet F, this is September monthly sheet 1, or EC monthly sheet 1, and then I also have EC monthly sheet 2, which is sheet G. And then I also picked up the icon sheet, which is sheet Y, and this is in the add-ons listing, which is different than this listing. So the first thing that we're going to do, of course, is put down the big stickers, and I just wanted to make sure that there wasn't, so the days that are not in the month are actually at the end of the month versus at the beginning of the month this time. So I'm just going to put down my stickers. And I say this like every time, but I can't believe that it's already September. Like, this year has literally flown by. I think it's like the lack of sleep. Oh, that's really crooked. I honestly think that it's the lack of sleep that made the year go by so quickly. Like, I blinked and it was September. It's just amazing to me. Okay, that's good. So now the big stickers up top are down. I'm going to do the sidebar and the days not in the month. So we don't really have a lot scheduled in September right now. We don't book out a lot of things to do, if that makes sense. We do a lot of our planning closer to the time that it actually happens. I mean, our child is only 9 months old, so it's not like he's got a school schedule yet. I mean, he does, but it's just daycare. I shouldn't say it's just, it is daycare. So it's not like a school schedule where it's like I've got deadlines for items. I hope you guys know what I'm talking about, but so I want to mark that Sunday and Monday my sister-in-law and her family will be in town. And then Monday is also, or Tuesday is also Labor Day. Oh, and I want to pull this bookmark to cut my washi. And then I'm going to mark, let me see what I've got for all my labels here, because I love using these labels, and I don't necessarily like using like the appointment-esque labels, but I will use, I think I'll just use this one, Labor Day. And the kids around here go back, well, I work for a school district, so they go back the 3rd of September. I'm not going to mark that because that doesn't actually impact me. So, and then my husband has a meeting, 8 p.m. command. So put that down like that. And that's just to remind, like, I'll be here anyway. But that's just to remind me, like, I can't, like, go do errands or anything like that night. Or not that I would necessarily, but just so that I have that in here and that he'll be on a conference call. And then Thursday, the 5th, is the first official Packer game. They are, actually, I'm going to put all of these. So I've realized that the footballs fit pretty well in the appointment labels like that. Oh, I've got all of my footballs here. So it's the 100th season of the Packers. They turned 100 probably about a month ago. So I'm going to use this one for the Thursday. And they are playing the Bears, or they are at the Bears at 7:20 p.m. At Bears, 7:20 p.m. Okay. And then Saturday and Sunday, my husband is going to be at drill, so I'm going to put that down. Saturday and Sunday. And I love using these car stickers for drill, because he does drive. So I'm going to do that along with, is this too big? Here, I'm going to layer. I did this, I think, it must have been August, where I layered a dot sticker, but I'll just write drill on the washi, because honestly, I know that that's that. And then this is just reminding me that I should really plan something to do for the weekend. And then I don't have anything until the 11th, which is Patriot Day. And my husband has a physical at 10:05 a.m. Oop. Okay. Oops. Oh boy. Okay. I'm gonna write his physical on a football sticker. Okay, so I did buy the icon sheet, so I am going to use, Kate has 2 doctor labels, so I'm going to put doctor label on one of these skinny appointment labels, and I'm just going to write physical 10:05. I'll know that's for him because I already did mine back in July. So, physical. And then, let's see, I have my credit card payment is due on the 13th. Got that. And then on the 15th, I've got 2 things. So the Vikings are at the Packers at noon. So I'm going to say versus Vikings noon. And then that's fine. I'll just double up on this color. And then I also pulled a pencil sticker. I don't like how that looks. Okay. So now we're gonna go back into my freebies. I don't think I have any other. Maybe I'll use this red. I'm gonna take this gold one and put it back on this sheet. And that is for our daycare schedule for October. Is due on, well, the 15th, so it'll be the Friday, but I put it on the 15th of every month just so that I remember, I keep everything straight. Then the 18th, I have a hair appointment, and I pulled this PK Doodle, and this is the small size on the sheet, and it's just so tiny. I just love it. So I'm gonna do this navy appointment label and then hair appointment 5 p.m. That is on the 18th. And then on the 22nd is the Broncos at the Packers at noon. And I forgot to say versus Broncos, but that's fine. I'll know what that means. As long as I have the time on there, I can figure out like where they are. The 23rd is the day that autumn begins, and it's also my nephew's birthday. So I'm going to put this red appointment label. I'm going to say Max's birthday. And I also pulled, these are the mini balloons, and I pulled the blue in that. I don't know, it just gives it a little something extra with the balloons. So, and then they also have, oh, I didn't realize this, but the Packers have a game on the 26th, which is only 4 days after their game on Sunday, so that's going to be real fun. But their game, I'm assuming, is at 7:20. Yep. So, oh, and they're at home again. So versus Eagles, 7:20 p.m. Okay. And then the last thing for September is on the 29th. One of the local parks, which has been really trying hard to like do a lot of family activities, they are going to do a giant pumpkin festival. I know, how amazing is that? This is the first year, and I'm so excited. So excited. But that is, I think, from 9 to 4. Yep. And again, I am so excited. Oh, I forgot another bill. So my school loan comes out on the 21st. And I just like having that reminder. I usually don't put that on here, but I've decided I've got a lot of bill due stickers, so I might as well put them down. And, you know, I I'm only in charge of a couple times, so, but yeah. So I'm pretty sure that is it for the month of September. Let me just show you what that looks like opened up. I mean, it's a pretty chill month so far. I didn't really use a lot of these icons, and so I don't think I bought any for October because I think I wanted to wait and see if I used a lot for September, and I don't think I'm going to buy any for October. Yeah, it really didn't. Yeah. Oh, I also do want to mark my paydays. I think I'm going to use these gold ones. So I have a payday on the 6th and a payday on the 20th. So, and then I do like using the date dots or the number dots, but I will do that later. I like watching TV while also putting down my date dots. I don't know, they're kind of a pain in the butt, but I love how it ties the spread together. So it's totally worth doing. So, but yeah, this is it for the September monthly. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked my video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, please hit the subscribe button. I have a lot of fun videos coming in the month of September. I didn't put any of my videos on here. I want them to be a surprise. I mean, the only ones that aren't going to be a surprise are my Monday videos, which are going to be all plan with me's. But yeah, I am really excited for fall, and I think we're going to end up going to the apple orchard pretty quickly here. I mean, they should start having apples that are available to pick. So, but yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.